Good morning, students. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter number 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. It is on your book page number 42 to 44. In this video, we will discuss about the solutions of linear equation. They are either of intersecting line, parallel line, or coincident lines. So, in our last video, we have discussed that they have the common one solution, that is they are intersecting. Now we will discuss the example number 2. Okay, in this, Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased two pencils and three erasers for rupee 9. For rupees 9. Now, if we take the cost of pencil be x and the cost of eraser be y. So we can say that 2 into x is the cost of the pencils we purchase and 3 into y is the cost of the erasers we purchase. And total rupee we have paid 9 rupees. So we have equated them. So this is our first equation. Okay. Second, her friend so okay, her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for 18 rupees. उसकी फ्रेंड ने भी देखा और उसने भी परचेज की 4 पेंसिल और 6 eraser, 4 pencils and 6 eraser of the same kind, means 4x is the cost of pencil and 6y is the cost of erasers. Okay, now total money she paid 18 rupees. Is it clear? Now, to obtain the equivalent geometrical representation, we find the 2 points on the line representing each equation. हम इन दोनों इक्वेशन के दो दो सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे और उनको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ग्राफिकली. ठीक है. So when we do the solution for the first, we will get 0,3 and 4.5,0, and for the second we will get 0,3 and 3,1. Now we plot these points on the graph. Okay, so 0,3, so this is our point, and 4.5, 0, so this is that point. So we draw a number line, sorry, we draw a line for the graph. Okay, we draw we draw a line on the graph for the equation number 1. Now solution for the second equation, we take a different color to represent this, black color. 0,3, it is the common point, and 3,1, this is the point over here. So these points are also on the same graph, so they are coincident lines. These lines are coincident. Okay, so we can say that we plot these points in a graph paper and draw the lines. We find that both the lines coincide. This is so because both the equations are equivalent, that is one be derived from the other. एक इक्वेशन को दूसरी से derive किया जा सकता है. Let us see what they want to say. But here you can see that these are the two equations. If from the second equation, that is 4x plus 6y is equal to 18, if you take the two common from the left hand side, it becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 18, or you can say that 2x plus 3y is equal to 18 by 2, that is 9. Now this equation is same as that of the first equation. So we have derived the first equation from the second equation, or you multiply the 2 in the first equation, you will derive the second equation. So they want to say that both the equations are equivalent, that is one can be derived from other. Okay, that is the statement. This is So because both the equations are equivalent and one can be derived from the other, that is why they are coincident lines represented on the graph. Okay. Question number 3. Two rails are represented by the equation this and this, that is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now represent this situation geometrically. We have to represent this situation geometrically. So first of all, we find the solution for both the equation, two solutions for both the equation. So for the first equation we get 0 comma 2 and 4 comma 0, and for the second equation we get 0 comma 3 and 6 comma 0. Now we represent these equation on the graph. So the first solution is 0 comma 2, so this is over here. Okay, and second is 4 comma 0, so 4 comma 0 is over here. Now we draw the line graph for the first equation. It is like this. Now second, for that we have got the solution 0 comma 3, it has been over here, and the second is 6 comma 0, that is over here. If we join these two coordinates, we will get the another line. Now you are able to see these lines are parallel. So these lines have no solution, or you can say the two equations which have been given to us, they have no solution and their graph are parallel to each other. So we have seen several situations which can be represented by pair of linear equations. So we have seen their algebraic and geometrical representation. In the next few sections, we will discuss how these representation can be used to look for the solution of pair of linear equations. So basically we find that there is a unique solution, that is they are intersecting line, they are parallel to each other, means they have no solution like this case, and they have infinite many solutions when they are coincide, that is one lie on the other, or one equation can be derived from the other equation. Is it clear? So these we look in our next section. Thank you.